KOL Reminder is a user-friendly mobile application designed to help users manage their tasks and schedule effectively. It allows individuals to set reminders for important events, deadlines, appointments, and daily activities, ensuring that they stay organized and punctual. The app typically features customizable reminder options, such as notifications, alerts, and repetitive reminders, which can be tailored to fit users' specific needs. Users can add notes, categorize tasks, and prioritize them, making it easier to focus on what matters most. KOL Reminder often includes a simple, intuitive interface that enhances the user experience, allowing for quick and straightforward navigation. Some versions may offer additional features like calendar integration, voice reminders, and synchronization across multiple devices. Overall, KOL Reminder serves as a practical tool for anyone looking to improve time management, reduce forgetfulness, and enhance productivity in their daily lives.